How to disable PvP on Blox Fruits. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to discuss about turning off the player versus player or the PvP in Blox Fruits. So in order to turn it off, if you're using your PC, look at the top left corner of your screen and find the button that says PvP on or PvP off. Click on this button, toggle it to turn it on and turn it off as well. If you are playing Blox Fruits on your mobile device, tap on the menu or the three lines icon on the side of your screen. After that, look for the PvP toggle switch. It's usually near the stats or the inventory. Now tap the switch to turn PvP off. Important things to know is that you can only turn PvP off when you're not currently fighting anyone and you're not transformed, like using Buddha or Dragon. PvP will automatically turn back on if you attack another player or use fighting moves near them. So if you want to farm without being attacked, try using a private server or going to the islands where fewer people are playing. And turning off the PvP only stops other players from attacking you if they also have PvP turned off. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.